Greetings, my name is Stan Reingans and I'm the Chief Administrator of Keystone AEA Education Agency. Welcome to this month's edition of Keystone in Your Community, a monthly video series designed to share one aspect each month of how Keystone supports the students, families, and schools in Northeast Iowa. I hope you enjoyed this month's video.
100,000 miles. That's how far Keystone Area Education Agency vans travel each school year to deliver high-quality instructional resources to educators and students across Northeast Iowa, all in support of student learning. Through Keystone AEA's 2-day-per-week van delivery system, all educators and students in our 190 accredited public and non-public locations enjoy access to high-quality instructional resources that may not otherwise be available. Keystone's media resources are curated specifically with our partner schools in mind to support student learning needs and initiatives. Keystone AEA's media collection caters to a variety of learner interests, learning styles, and needs. We offer a diverse collection, circulating instructional materials like big books and infographics to support visual learners in classrooms across Northeast Iowa. Hands-on kits designed for multiple content areas and grade levels, reinforcing key concepts a book alone just can't do. Large equipment supports music and physical education skills and concepts, while an endless variety of audiobooks support auditory learners of all age groups. And of course, Keystone AEA's print and production services support unique and large print requests along with school lamination needs. Educators, students, and school communities rely on Keystone AEA's media collection, all thanks to its vast array of convenient and reliable resources meeting multiple instructional needs. And with approximately 200,000 media materials checked out each year by educators, students throughout Keystone AEA are able to engage in a variety of instructional materials delivered directly to their buildings for just-in-time learning resources needed throughout the school year.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Keystone Area Education Agency. We are proud members of the Northeast Iowa educational system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next month as we explore another service provided by Keystone AEA.